You're an operator, and when unexpected situations come up, you meet those challenges creatively, quickly and efficiently. Shermac is the solution to your business challenges. You don't have time to work with substandard vehicles that can't withstand the extreme heat, dust and other conditions you and your equipment are exposed to on a daily basis. Shermac designs, manufactures, supplies and supports customised, innovative products and provides reliable, responsive services. Our wide range of specialised water cartage and support vehicles enable the mining, civil and commercial industries to get the job done over and over again. You use it and you know what you need. We listen and build it. Our range includes service trucks, service trailers, diesel trailers, water carts, crane trucks, tilt trays, plant trailers, mobile workshops, drill support vehicles and boilermaker vehicles. You are confronted daily with unique situations where standard equipment doesn't solve problems. You want intelligent design that ensures productivity and efficiency. That's why Shermac is a low-risk solution. We get it right the first time. Safety is engineered in, hazards are engineered out. There's nothing standard about it. You travel long distances in Western Australia, Queensland and New South Wales. We go where you go. Be sure to contact us about spare parts. Our knowledgeable customer service team will detail what parts we carry and what we have in stock. Trust Shermac to provide end-to-end support from design, sourcing, manufacturing, handover and ongoing support and maintenance. Shermac focuses on our customers' needs. We find solutions for the challenges you experience on a daily basis.